The $5,000 per week affiliate strategy involves focusing on high-ticket products, creating quality content, building an email list, and driving targeted traffic. Start by researching profitable niches and finding high-ticket affiliate programs. Create valuable content to attract an audience and build an email list. Focus on high-ticket and recurring commission products like SaaS tools, online courses, and financial products. Commissions range from $500 to $5,000. Content creation is crucial for building trust and authority. Consistently publish valuable content to attract organic traffic and boost sales. Drive traffic through organic SEO strategies and paid advertising. Use Google Ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads to target potential customers. Email marketing nurtures leads and boosts conversions. Use targeted content and automated sequences to grow passive income. To optimize your sales funnel, offer a free lead magnet and use retargeting ads to maximize conversions. Ensure a seamless user experience. Scaling your business requires refining content and increasing traffic. Outsource tasks to focus on growth and long-term success. Common mistakes include promoting low-ticket products, neglecting SEO, and not diversifying traffic sources. Avoid these pitfalls. Earning $5,000 per week may take 6 to 12 months. Focus on building a solid foundation before scaling your earnings. The $5,000 per week strategy combines high-ticket products, strong content, targeted traffic generation, and effective email marketing.